The nutritional power of dry fruits, maximizing health benefits while avoiding common pitfalls. Dry fruits have long been celebrated for their concentrated nutrient content and numerous health benefits. From almonds and walnuts to figs and apricots, these nutrient-rich snacks provide a convenient and energy-dense option for those looking to enhance their diet. However, despite their advantages, many individuals unknowingly undermine the potential health benefits of dry fruits by making certain common mistakes. Understanding these pitfalls and how to avoid them is crucial for maximizing the health advantages that dry fruits offer. Dry fruits, which include a wide variety of options such as raisins, pistachios, and apricots, are packed with essential nutrients such as proteins, healthy fats, minerals, and dietary fiber. They not only serve as a source of energy, but also support digestive health, making them a popular choice between meals. However, the consumption of dry fruits needs to be approached with care to ensure that their benefits are fully realized. One of the most prevalent errors individuals make is overindulgence. While dry fruits are nutritious, they are also calorie-dense, meaning that excessive consumption can lead to unintended weight gain. Nutritionists recommend limiting daily intake to about 1/4 of a cup, roughly equivalent to 28 grams or 1 ounce. By practicing portion control, you can enjoy the health benefits of dry fruits without the risk of exceeding your caloric needs. Another common mistake is the selection of sugar-coated varieties of dry fruits. Many commercially available options come with added sugars or sweeteners, which can significantly raise blood sugar levels and undermine the health benefits of the fruits themselves. For example, while raisins naturally contain sugars, the addition of sweeteners can lead to a higher calorie count and potential health issues like diabetes. To maintain a healthy diet, it is advisable to opt for unsweetened varieties that preserve the natural goodness of the fruit without the extra sugar. Hydration is another critical aspect often overlooked when consuming dry fruits. Due to their dehydrated nature, dry fruits can absorb water in the body, potentially leading to dehydration if not accompanied by adequate fluid intake. Raisins, for instance, are nutrient-rich but can cause digestive discomfort if hydration is neglected. Drinking sufficient water is essential not only for digestion, but also to prevent issues such as constipation. Therefore, it is vital to pair dry fruits with appropriate water intake to support overall health. Moreover, some individuals mistakenly rely solely on dry fruits for their nutritional intake, excluding other essential food groups. While dry fruits are a valuable addition to the diet, they should complement a balanced diet that includes fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. This diversity ensures that you receive a wide range of nutrients necessary for optimal health. Relying exclusively on dry fruits can lead to nutritional deficiencies over time, highlighting the importance of incorporating various food groups into your meals. Lastly, many consumers overlook the presence of preservatives in dried fruits, which can have adverse health effects. For instance, some dried fruits are treated with sulfur dioxide as a preservative, which can trigger allergic reactions or respiratory issues in sensitive individuals. Brightly colored dried fruits, such as apricots, often contain sulfites to enhance their appearance. To mitigate potential health risks, it is crucial to read labels carefully and choose sulfite-free options when possible. In conclusion, while dry fruits are an excellent addition to any diet due to their myriad health benefits, it is essential to consume them mindfully. By avoiding common mistakes such as overindulgence, choosing sugar-coated varieties, neglecting hydration, excluding them from a balanced diet, and ignoring preservatives, you can fully enjoy the nutritional advantages that dry fruits offer without compromising your health. Incorporating these practices will not only enhance your overall well-being, but also ensure that you reap the full benefits of these delightful and nutritious snacks.